In this video, we're going to do an example of using the chain rule. Our chain rule is we have an outside function and an inside function, outside, inside, and it's the derivative of the outside function with the inside intact times the derivative of the inside function. All right, so what is the derivative with respect to x of 5x squared plus 2, and that whole thing to the power of the 6th? Now, we have an outside function, that's our blah to the 6th bit, and we have an inside function, 5x squared plus 2. So let's break it off into the outside and the inside and do those derivatives individually. So our outside function is blah to the 6th, and that's a power rule. Power rule says bring the power down, subtract 1 from the power. So the derivative of the outside function is simply 6 times blah to the 5th. Okay? So outside function was simply a power rule. Our inside function, 5x squared plus 2, well, that's polynomial. And polynomials are nice. So the derivative of 5x squared plus 2, I'm calling it I prime for the derivative of the inside function. That's going to be 5 times, we bring down the 2, subtract 1 from the power, and a derivative of 2 is 0. All right, so 5 times 2x, that's going to be 10x. That's going to be the derivative of the inside piece. So to finally do our derivative, it's the derivative of the outside, 6 blah to the 5th, with the inside intact, 5x plus 2, times the derivative of the inside bit, 10x. Or more nicely typeset, it's like this. Now, we can always clean this up a little bit. This is a multiplication, 6 times 10. We could write this as 60x times 5x squared plus 2 to the 5th. And that is going to be our result.